Struggling with content? Chatgpt to the rescue. Content creation can feel overwhelming. Brainstorming fresh ideas, crafting captivating long-form pieces, and staying active on social media, it's a lot. But what if you had a secret weapon? Introducing Chatgpt, an AI-powered tool designed to make content creation a breeze. Chatgpt is like having a creative partner on demand. It can help you generate endless ideas, structure compelling content, and even repurpose existing material. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to effortless content creation. This isn't about replacing your unique voice and creativity. It's about leveraging a powerful tool to amplify your message and reach a wider audience. Ready to unlock your content creation potential? Let's dive in. Unleash your inner idea machine. It's time to tap into your creative potential and discover a world of endless possibilities. Ever feel stuck in an idea rut? Like no matter how hard you try, the ideas just won't come? Chatgpt can help you break free and generate a constant flow of fresh content ideas. Imagine having a tool that can spark your creativity anytime you need it. Simply ask Chatgpt a question or provide a starting point, and watch the magic happen. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. For example, let's say you're a health coach struggling to come up with new blog post ideas. The pressure to constantly create fresh content can be overwhelming. You could ask Chatgpt, give me 10 blog post ideas for health coaches focused on boosting energy levels. In seconds, you'll have a list of unique and engaging topics. Chatgpt will then generate a list of relevant and engaging blog post topics, sparking your creativity and helping you overcome any content roadblocks. The possibilities are endless. You can tailor these ideas to fit your unique voice and style. Use Chatgpt to generate ideas for blog posts, social media content, video scripts, email marketing campaigns, and more. It's a versatile tool that adapts to your needs. With Chatgpt as your brainstorming buddy, you'll never run out of things to say. Embrace the power of AI to fuel your creativity and keep your content fresh and exciting. From blank page to brilliant blog post, the journey of creating engaging content starts with a single step, and sometimes that first step can be the hardest. But don't worry, with the right tools and mindset, you can transform your ideas into compelling narratives. Writing long-form content can be daunting, but Chatgpt makes it manageable and even enjoyable. Imagine sitting down to write and feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of words needed. Chatgpt can help break down this task into smaller, more manageable pieces, making the process less intimidating. By providing Chatgpt with a few simple prompts, you can quickly outline and draft compelling blog posts, articles, and other long-form content. This tool can help you organize your thoughts and structure your writing in a way that flows naturally and keeps your readers engaged. For instance, let's imagine you're writing a blog post about the benefits of meditation. Meditation is a topic that can be both broad and deep, and having a clear outline can help you cover all the important points without getting lost in the details. You could start by telling Chatgpt, write an outline for a blog post titled, 5 Ways Meditation Can Transform Your Life. This prompt gives Chatgpt a clear direction and helps it generate a structured outline that you can follow. Chatgpt will generate a structured outline with compelling subtopics, making the writing process smooth and efficient. You'll have a roadmap to follow, which can save you time and help you stay focused on your main message. You can even feed Chatgpt snippets of your existing writing and ask it to expand on certain points, improve clarity, or suggest relevant examples. This feature is particularly useful for refining your drafts and ensuring that your content is as polished as possible. Chatgpt acts as your personal writing assistant, helping you refine your ideas and create high-quality content with ease. Whether you're brainstorming new topics or fine-tuning your final draft, Chatgpt is there to support you every step of the way, making the entire writing process more efficient and enjoyable. Social media savvy with Chatgpt. Staying active on social media is crucial, but crafting engaging posts day after day can be exhausting. Chatgpt can help you create captivating social media content that resonates with your audience and boosts engagement. Let's say you're a fitness instructor promoting a new workout program. You could ask Chatgpt, write 3 engaging Instagram captions for my new height workout program, focusing on the benefits of high-intensity training. Chatgpt will generate attention-grabbing captions that highlight the program's key selling points and encourage followers to sign up. Experiment with different tones and styles to find what resonates best with your audience. Use Chatgpt to create social media posts, write compelling ad copy, and even generate interactive content like quizzes and polls. Repurposing content like a pro. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating fresh content constantly can be overwhelming and time-consuming. But what if you could make the most out of what you already have? Creating fresh content constantly is challenging. The pressure to keep up with trends and maintain a steady flow of new material can be daunting for any content creator. However, with Chatgpt, you can breathe new life into your existing content and reach a wider audience. This powerful tool allows you to transform and adapt your material effortlessly. Repurposing content is a smart and efficient way to maximize your efforts. By reusing and reimagining your existing work, you save time and energy while still delivering valuable information to your audience. For example, imagine you have a popular blog post about healthy breakfast recipes. This post has already resonated with your readers, so why not take it a step further? You could feed the post to Chatgpt and ask, "Turn this blog post into a script for a short YouTube video." This way, you can reach viewers who prefer watching videos over reading articles. Chatgpt will transform your written content into an engaging video script, allowing you to reach a new audience on a different platform. This not only diversifies your content, but also expands your reach. From blog posts to social media updates, webinars to email newsletters, the possibilities for repurposing your content are endless. Each format offers a unique way to connect with your audience. The possibilities for repurposing your content are endless. You can turn a single idea into multiple pieces of content, each tailored to a different platform and audience. Chatgpt makes it easy to adapt your message for different platforms and formats, ensuring your hard work reaches its full potential. By leveraging this technology, you can maintain a consistent presence across various channels without the constant need to create new content from scratch. Embrace the future of content creation. Chatgpt isn't just a tool, it's a creative partner that empowers you to overcome content creation challenges and share your message with the world. By embracing this innovative technology, you can unlock new levels of productivity and creativity. Imagine a world where writer's block is a distant memory, where you have an endless supply of fresh ideas, and where crafting compelling content is effortless and enjoyable. That's the power of Chatgpt. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the future of content creation with Chatgpt and watch your influence soar. Your content creation journey starts now. Ready to experience the magic of Chatgpt firsthand? It's an exciting adventure. Start by experimenting with different prompts, exploring its vast capabilities, and discovering how it can best support your unique content creation needs. Remember, consistency is key. The more you use Chatgpt, the more adept you'll become at harnessing its full potential and creativity. This is your time to shine brightly. Embrace the power of Chatgpt and unleash the content creation superstar within you.